How to activate Home Depot consumer credit card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can activate Home Depot consumer credit card. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So first step, open up a web browser and search for Activate Home Depot Consumer Credit Card. And there you'll find different options. So actually, to activate your Home Depot's consumer credit card, you will need to register for your card. So to register for your card, you can just head over to this Citi website, the first option that you find, and let it load. So it can take some time to load depending on your internet speed and your region where you live. So just wait for it to get completely loaded and you should be on this page. So as you can see, there is Home Depot and other stuff. So what you'll now need to do is just register your card. To register your card, you will need to give your card number here. After you give your card number, you can then come back here, give your name, whatever your name is at the back of your card, your security code, and then your, let me just type that in, and your 4-digit of your primary card's social security number. So after you do that, tap on verify, and after your card has been verified, you will then be able to, activate your Home Depot consumer credit card. And that's basically how you do it, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye-bye. Take care.